I've looked to my right, Deji. Look to my left, AJ. These partners stink of poo.
You're beautiful. Each moment spent with you is simply wonderful. This love I have for you, girl, it's incredible. And I don't know what I'd do if I can't be with you. The world could not go on, so every night I pray. If the Lord should come for me before I wake, I wouldn't wanna go if I can't see your face, can't hold you close. What good would heaven be if the angels came for me? I tell them no. I don't wanna leave my baby alone. I don't want nobody else to hold you. That's a chance I'll take. Baby, I'll stay. Heaven can wait.
It's always been just him and me together. So I bet all I have on that furrowed brow, and at least in this lifetime we're sticking together.
Your sweet little eyes, your little smile is all I remember. Those fuzzy memories mess with my temper. Justification is killing me. This killing isn't justified. What happened to my son? I'm terrified. It lingers in my mind, and the thought keeps on getting bigger. I'm sorry, but sweet baby, I wish I'd been there.
For nothing at all. Oh, for nothing at all. With something to do. Wake up while it's time to go, and turn around the opposite way. Are you man enough? Are you man enough? Are you man enough to take the blame?
あんたは私で、私はあんたの。これだけは置いてくわ。全部、壊して。